Hey, this is Nick,
And this is Lily, and we're City Rockhounding.
and today we're on the railroad. We're going to be looking for some cool rocks and fossils. Let's see what we find today. Thanks for coming along. So Lily and I decided to go the other direction today on the railroad towards town. Find some cool stuff this way too. Some of the railroad chert stuff that we find here. That's a really pretty piece. I like that pattern in there. Banded chert. It's nice. Here's another piece of chert. This one had a cool mica pocket on top of it here. I like that. That's pretty cool. And this one had a really cool crystal pocket in there. That's nice. Can really see those crystal points in there. That's cool. I think this is probably my biggest horn coral yet. Longest. That's super cool. Gonna try removing this outside here. And you can see that it's got some lynches growing on it. That's awesome. That gold speckle. Here's cool crinoid stem. Couple more on top there. There's some cool horn coral all in there. Some more of the lynches. That's awesome. And some more horn coral. You can see them in there. Those are pretty. So Lily's starting to find some really cool stuff here too. Really cool horn coral piece.
That's nice. Here's another horn coral piece. I think that's really pretty.
Pretty sparkly there. Nice find there, Lily. Here's a cool piece of chert. This one had some botryoidal pocket on there with some jersey.
That's really cool. I love those sparkles.
That's a nice find, Lily.
Thanks.
Another piece of chert with a pocket on there. This one had a little banding around it too.
That's really cool. It's really pretty.
It's a nice find. Good job, Lily. It's definitely really pretty over here. I usually don't come over here though because there's a lot of traffic. It's more peaceful out in the woods. Some more railroad chert. Some really pretty patterns on that. Also looks like there's some pyrite on this side of it. That's really cool. Jersey pockets there. Those are really shiny. Kind of looks like quartz to me. Here's some more railroad chert. That's got a nice crystal pocket going on there. Looks like it's all ground off, but that's really cool. That's really shiny. Some more pyrite there. That's really cool. Kind of hard to see it, but all that dark stuff there at the top. And then we're finding more horn coral here. It's a pretty piece. Along with this one. That one's cool. And that one I really like too. That's a cool one. So Lily spotted this guy in the woods here. Little porcupine. Does not seem to care that we are standing right next to him. 10 feet away. That is really cool. Never seen one in person before. That's really awesome. I probably never would have even saw this guy if Lily didn't see him. He's just minding his own business here. Does not care that we are even here. That's awesome. That's so cool. So Lily is definitely finding some really cool stuff here. Another really cool piece of horn coral.
Yeah, that's pretty.
That's probably the best railroad chert piece of the day.
Yeah, I really like that railroad chert.
The swirls in that are amazing.
That is really cool.
Piece of horn coral here, a bunch of them in there.
That's pretty unique.
I like that one a lot.
I do too.
And also, this one with some agate banding.
That one has to be my favorite.
That's a really awesome find there, Lily.
Thank you.
That's pretty.
That is.
That's a cool pocket. On some more chert. Great job.
Thanks.
Well, last finds of the day here. It's getting a little chilly out. Supposedly it's supposed to snow later on tonight. We'll see if that happens. This one kind of looked crystal-y all over in those white spots. I wanted to cut it open and see what was going on inside. So we'll see what happens there. Some horn coral. Definitely a lot of it on the railroad here. And it is beautiful stuff. That's really cool. Piece of railroad chert with this really nice crystal pocket. Looks like I can see a little banding around the outside there. And it kind of looks a little blue too. That's really pretty. There's some more pocket there and some chert. A little banding around it. That's cool. And then this massive piece has a bunch of syringopora in it. Pretty much the whole thing is just packed. This is one of the pieces they dug out when they were repairing the railroad. Apparently it didn't get crushed. That's awesome though. Wow. That's amazing. Beautiful day out here. Me and Lily definitely had some fun. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I really appreciate everyone stopping by.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Goodbye.